Hey guys, I'm Bob and I'm out here in my shed today and I want to review the Busted Knuckle Garage desktop toolbox. It's a miniature toolbox which is a kind of a replica of my 𝐊𝐧𝐮𝐬𝐭𝐞𝐝 toolbox, which I've had for many years, and it's really quite a cool little gift for anyone who's a DIY enthusiast or a car enthusiast or a woodworker, or anyone that just likes tools. So I'd like to talk a little bit about it. It's made of 0.24 gauge steel. It has the Busted Knuckle Garage logo on the front. As you can see, it's made in the USA, which is a great thing. It has a ribbed rubber section on top of the toolbox, and it also has a felt piece of fabric at the bottom of the toolbox, which is comparable to my 𝐊𝐧𝐿 as well. It has wheels, as you can see, and it does roll, as I'll show you later. It has these faux drawers which kind of match the 𝐊𝐧𝐿 toolbox behind me. As I said, it is made in the USA. I'd like to give you the dimensions as well. Dimensions is 9.5 side to side. It is from the bottom of the wheels to the top, it's 5.5 inches, and from the back to front, it's 4.5 inches. Also, it has a little handle on the side, which is also found on my 𝐊𝐧𝐿 toolbox. So it's kind of a replica of the bigger toolbox, as you see behind me. I use it in my shed, which is my workshop and workout area. I use it to hold a bunch of screws, boxes of screws. So here it is on my workbench. I keep it towards the back of the workbench, and what I do is I keep screws, boxes of screws, because I'm always working on some project or another. Fits perfectly side to side, a box of screws in here, 2 boxes. So I'm just gonna fill it up here. If you keep the top open, you can fit more boxes. So I just fill it up as much as I can. I can actually fit from bottom to top. I can fit 8 boxes of screws, and then if I want to, I can just put some more on top. So as you can see, it does roll, as I mentioned before. Let's take these off for now. It rolls, so it actually would be a nice gift for a child as well, who's into toolboxes, or tools, or anything like that. So I really am impressed by the workmanship used in the toolbox. The actual rubber on the top is very similar to what you find on a regular toolbox as well, and the fabric at the bottom as well. So there are also other products made by Busted Knuckle Garage that you can buy. There's a pencil cup toolbox, as well as a number of different articles, and I'll leave a link in the description for this particular toolbox. This would also go great on someone's office desktop. They could store anything, any small office accessories in there. But anyway, I think it's well built. It's well worth the money. It's made in the USA. I don't think you can go wrong.